Nextrom is a global leader in production equipment for telecommunications and specialty fibers. The equipment we supply is made up of hundreds of different components, and it is always tailored to individual customer needs. This is always a substantial investment for the customer, which is why the equipment needs to create value for its owner 365 days a year. When something goes wrong or breaks down, productivity suffers. We want everything to work as it should. Nextrom customer service and support provides a shortcut to the heart of problem solving. Our service provides quick and efficient help with any problems you may have, whether it's broken equipment or software or trouble using them. If we can't get to the root of the problem or help you out remotely, no worries. Our expert will visit you on site no matter what country you're in. We can also address any other concerns at the same time, from damaged logic boards to equipment upgrades and training. Repair and maintenance are easy to budget, and thanks to our transparent service, you can avoid the unpleasant surprise of hidden costs. Nextrom Customer Service.